My name's Emily and I study childcare level 3 at Coleg Gwent. I chose to go into childcare because I want to work with babies in the future. I enjoy learning manual handling because we get to do practical stuff with the babies. We just dress them, bathe them, change their nappies. The benefit it will give us in the future is so we know how to handle them. I attend placement at Orway Primary School for 2 days a week. I teach the children, I do games with them, I get observed every now and then. So 3 days a week I attend college, so we learn different stuff about nutrition, manual handling, health and safety. We learn about legislation to do with all that stuff. The best thing about studying at Coleg Gwent is the friends that I've made, the equipment that we get to use. So like if we don't have the opportunity to have laptops at home, we can come into college. There's a library that we can use the laptops and everything up there. I would recommend Coleg Gwent to other students because it's local, close, make new friends, and they've got lots of opportunities to give you.